Namaste students, Khush Vidya. I JP, Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the forest resources. Resources, the term means was taken. The term resource was taken to mean only the natural factors or things like mountains, minerals deposition, or forest, or animals, life, social, etc. Resource was used to refer only the natural resource here. Okay. So the term was taken from natural phenomena or the man. It may be useful for the man. Today, resources is taken to mean only those natural or human or cultural factors that satisfy human wants and contribute to human welfare. Forest resource means that is derived from the forest. Forest means outside, and originally it is the uncultivated or uninhabited village boundaries consisting of natural plants, trees, and grass. It means it is an association of plants, animals, and naturally cultivated or predominantly trees. In other words, the alien or the shrubs. The forest is the community of trees and associated organisms covering a considerable area, utilizing air, water, and mineral to attain maturity and to reproduce the capable of furnishing mankind with indispensable products and services. Uses of forests. They provide timber for house building, ships, bridges, railways, carriage, furniture, etc. They supply firewood and charcoal for the fuel and houses. They provide wood pulp for the paper and rayon or the in the textile industries, and they provide honey, foods, and medicines. They also provide wax and candles and machines and shoemaking. They provide games, fuels, hose, basket, mats, etc. They provide corks, water for the bottle and the stop for the bottle stoppers, or camphors from the medicines, rubber and rubber industries, or edible fruits, fibers, grazing for animals, hatching, roofs. So integrated forest has a lots of output, or we are taking a lot from the forest resource for optimizing use for the construction of buildings. Suicide indirectly use they stop the rain bearing winds and cause of the rainfall. They increase the soil moisture and content of the atmosphere. They minimize the extreme variations in the climate or the control the condition of flood due to heavy rain or absorbing excess of the rainwater, and they prevent soil erosions from the flow of water, or thick roots absorbs large quantity of water and holds for rivers and streams. They offer hunting grounds for different animals. They provide shelter for the wildlife, birds, animals, and improve the sanitary conditions of a place, and providing the revenue to the government, and facilitating providing oxygen and observing carbon dioxide. So, depletion of the forest resources is taking place from time to time. In the recent year, depletion has been in large scale. Expansion of agriculture and more forest has been cleared for agricultural land. Land area for the forest has been cleared. Urbanization and human settlement is taking place. Commercial exploitation of the forest fire, mining activities, or the forest diseases like depletion of the forest. Adverse effect on depletion of the trees is contributing to the raise in the temperature, lesser the precipitation, or increase in soil erosion. Frequency and volume of the flood lead to the loss of the soil productivity, and it is responsible for the loss of the biodiversity or imbalance in the ecosystem. Conservation of the forest may be regulated by the planted care, cutting of the trees, control over the forest fire or reforestation, afforestation, checking of the forest clearance for the agriculture, development of the green belt or check on the mining, protection on the existing forest, conservation of the threatened species, social forestry and agroforestry or development of the national parks and game sanctuaries, development of the botanical gardens, seed bank, forest management, or the proper role of government of the forest conservation. So deforestation, it means the reckless or the large scale felling or cutting of the trees by the man for the commercial and other purposes. So cause is desertification and soil degradation, loss of vegetation, destruction of the natural habitat, environmental pollution, damage to the ecosystem, reduction in the soil moisture absorption. So we can control the deforestation by preventing the human settlement in the forest area or check on the expansion of the agriculture on the forest land, provision of settling up agriculture into forest land, check out the reckless cut on the trees, control on the mining of the forest area, construction of the large dams in the forest area, or control of overgrazing in the forest area. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. I will resolve it in the problem solving session. Thank you.